So if you want to turn on the automatic high beams, what this does is if the road ahead is clear and it's nighttime, the high beams will turn on, but if there's a car in the other direction detected, then the auto high beams will turn off. So in order to do this, what you need to do is press the car button here, and just in controls there you can see this button here. If you press this button here, this will turn on the automatic high beams, and if you want to turn it off, just press it like so. So now it's on when you are in a situation where it's dark ahead on the road and there's no other cars on the other side. The high beams will turn on, and if it detects a car, then the high beams will turn off. So it's a very nice feature to have. It's very useful. I just keep this on like this and it'll just come on when it's needed. So it's very useful. That's everything for today's video, so thank you very much for watching. Any questions, just write them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.